Welcome back. Today we're diving into a crucial decision every cloud AI architect faces: how to connect all your services so they work together seamlessly, no matter how complex your environment gets. If you're building AI systems in the cloud, one of the biggest decisions you'll face is how to get all your services talking to each other. The right integration approach can make or break your project's scalability, security, and speed. Should you go old school with an enterprise service bus, or modern with an API gateway? Each has its own strengths, and the choice isn't always obvious. Today, I'm breaking down the real-world pros, cons, and when to pick each, so your machine learning stack runs smooth as butter. Let's make sure your AI services are always connected, responsive, and ready for anything. First up, what's an ESB? The Enterprise Service Bus is a classic integration tool, especially in large organizations. Think of it as a super-organized traffic cop for data inside huge enterprises. It's always on duty, making sure every message gets to the right place in the right format at the right time. It routes messages, transforms data formats, orchestrates flows, and speaks a bunch of protocols. Whether it's SOAP, JMS, or even older standards, ESB can handle it all. If you've got dozens of legacy apps, like SAP or Oracle, and you need them all to work together, the ESB is your MVP. It's built for deep, complex integrations that span across departments and decades of technology. Now let's talk API gateways. These are the modern answer to integration in the cloud era, designed for speed and simplicity. These are like the bouncers at the club entrance. They manage all the incoming requests, enforce security, and direct traffic. They're your first line of defense and your traffic controller rolled into one. They're simple, fast, and made for handling lots of lightweight, cloud-native microservices, especially when you want to expose your AI APIs to the outside world or real-time apps. API gateways are built for the pace of modern development, where agility and scale are everything. So what actually sets them apart in AI cloud systems? Let's break it down by the features that matter most for your architecture. Integration. ESB is deep, handling internal comms. It's perfect for connecting systems that rarely change and need robust, reliable messaging. API Gateway is edge-facing, perfect for external traffic, and excels at connecting fast-moving, cloud-native services. Message handling. ESB joins SOAP, XML, and heavy-duty transformations. It's built for complex data flows. API Gateway is all about JSON, REST, and HTTP. Lightweight and fast, ideal for mobile and web apps that need instant responses. Use case. ESB shines when you're orchestrating old-school legacy systems. It's the backbone for enterprises with lots of history. API Gateway wins with cloud-native AI services and real-time inference where speed and flexibility are key. Complexity. ESB, high. You'll need architects and a dedicated team to manage it. API Gateway, much simpler to set up and manage, often with just a few clicks or lines of code. AI suitability, batch processing and large traditional orgs. ESB, real-time scalable AI apps. API Gateway, if your AI needs to process huge volumes of data overnight, ESB fits. If you're serving millions of users in real time, API Gateway is your friend. So when should you use which? The answer depends on your current stack, your future goals, and how quickly you need to adapt to new tech. If you're connecting to legacy enterprise apps, ESB is your go-to. It's proven, reliable, and built for the long haul, especially in regulated industries. But if you're building modern cloud-first AI, especially stuff that needs to scale fast or serve mobile users, API Gateway is where you want to be. It's designed for agility, security, and global reach. And if you're stuck in the middle, hybrid is totally fine. Run ESB internally, API Gateway at the edge. Many organizations use both, blending stability with innovation. Bottom line, it's not about which tech is better, but which is right for your architecture. Cloud AI, API Gateway. Legacy heavy, ESB. Choose smart, scale faster, and make sure your AI is always ready.